Alright guys, no other way to end off this hearty and healthy menu than with a smoothie. And I'm really proud to be using full range of local products. Of course, my honey, Herbwai Honey. And this is a full range of frozen fruit. Passion fruit, pineapple, pawpaw. It's a couple that I met a few years ago. I swear to God they were a couple, David and Rachel. But they're not a couple, they just work well together. And they'll produce this line, Farm and Function, check it out. Full line of it is locally produced, locally packaged. So I'm putting together this smoothie just to end off this wonderful menu, guys. And I'm using today from the Farm and Function line, the pawpaw, papaya, pineapple, and I have some milk, and I'm gonna put a little fresh mint in there just to freshen it up a bit. Very, very simple smoothie to end things off. So my fruit goes in first, and I'm gonna make it a little rich, and I'm gonna show you how. So my pawpaw goes in, my pineapple, I'm gonna add my milk, just about a cup of milk, and I just really want about 2 leaves of mint. It's not much. The mint is very, very strong. But get this, I have some ice cream of your choice. I have vanilla because I did not want anything to overpower the fruit, so plain vanilla ice cream goes in here just to thicken it up. So I'm kind of calling this a tropical milkshake because it has all those wonderful tropical fruits in there, and the ice cream and the milk is going to make it all wonderful and milky. Just before, one little nice little drop of honey, nice heavy tablespoon. That's about a tablespoon. I want a tablespoon of honey, nice tablespoon of honey. And I'm ready. So I just want to push down my ice cream, get everything kind of combined together. There you go. So that's the texture you're looking for. I want a nice, creamy, look at that. That's exactly what you want there. Very simple. And these frozen fruits are perfect for these milkshakes. And it's a perfect way to end off our hearty and healthy menu. There's one little pineapple there, a little garnish. My mixologist buddies, Tyrone, and they will be very, very proud of me. Hey, look at that. Cheers. Fantastic, hearty and healthy menu. Hope the kids enjoy this one.